Hello students, this is your instructor, Molly McCloy, and I want to show you how to find your assignments. This is the first of two videos, and you'll notice that the second video has a slightly different interface because it was before Brightspace. So don't panic when you watch the second video and it looks a little bit different. Just watch this one first and remember that you already know where everything is. So if you go to Content, that's generally how you find everything in this class. And you can scroll down to the proper module. We know that we're in module 3 because we're about to do a peer review this weekend. So you can just scroll down to the bottom of the module and these are the links to the assignment sheets. The other place you can go is each of these module overviews also contains the same links. So we'll go here, click on Essay 1 Rhetorical Analysis, and here it is. And this is the language that I'll be using on the second video. It's exactly the same. Again, don't panic that locating the assignment looks a little bit different on that second video, but if you watch this video first, you'll be in good shape, you won't panic, you'll know how to find this language that I will be using to create the thesis statement in the second video. So always remember, if you get lost, go to Content, go to the module that you're on. The assignments will either be in the overview, and I've added this parenthetical with assignment descriptions because it's there, or scroll down, find your assignment here. All right, best of luck to you. Remember, the interface is going to look a little bit different on the second video, but don't panic. Have fun being a student. Take care.